Welcome to Whispers. The Fulani Republic of Cows. Is not a great looking one. How can the president of a great country with hundreds of ethnic groups be favoring criminally its tribe and the fate to the detriment of all the collective peace and happiness? For quite some time now, the national discourse in Nigeria has been dominated by the Fulani natives and non-natives among us, their sacred cows and their hand and dangerous herdsmen. How they go about across the Federation with manifest impunity, attacking farmers in their ancestral lands, kidnapping some for ransom, killing others outright, and generally terrorizing anyone who dared raise any voice of opposition or resistance to these criminalities. Since the embattled President Muhammadu Buhari is himself a Fulani and an executive herder at that, it stands to reason to declare that the Fulani marauding elements have been emboldened to commit all manner of crime against Nigerians in the name of cattle herding business. Pray why must foreigners left their native hamlets or enclaves in West African neighboring countries tonight for Nigeria and be allowed to torment the indigents of a sovereign country with the leadership at the center, directly or indirectly aiding and abating them? No controls or polices the barbers, or they entered without any authorities noticing? Who harmed them with AK-47 guns? Why are they being pampered and given amnesty and even cash in cars to lay down their weapons of war? Why would a federal government led by an executive order from Daura and some state governors in the north be openly supporting foreign jihadists, knee bandits against Nigerians under the guise of tolerating our neighbors? Yet, the problem with Nigeria goes beyond the Fulani cattle invasion. We could insinuate an official covert policy aimed towards Islamization or Fulanization here. President Buhari remains in our reckoning an executive enabler of the Fulani cattle exports. How can a president of a great nation with hundreds of ethnic groups be favoring criminality its tribe and fate to the detriment of our collective peace and happiness? Now, given this perceived connivance of complexity of the federal authority and forces, the average Fulani man has suddenly become one big L of a problem for the rest of law-abiding, hard-working citizens. So we see more. Until I come your way again. Bye.